In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the drag and drop email builder in AWeber. Let's start by opening the builder. From your AWeber account, head to Messages, then choose Drafts. On this page, click Create a Message and select Drag and Drop Email Builder. This takes you into the workspace where you'll design your email. Think of this as your creative studio. The canvas is in the center, and your tools live in the left panel. If you've never been here before, take a second to notice the layout. This helps you move faster once you start building. Next, choose how you want to begin. You can pick a pre-designed template from the gallery or start with a blank canvas. Templates are a great shortcut if you want a polished layout right away. They come with suggested sections that you can replace with your own content. If you prefer full control, choose a blank canvas so you can structure everything yourself. Consider your goal here. A template can save time for a newsletter or announcement, while a blank canvas can be perfect for a simple, focused message. Now it's time to add and edit elements. On the left, you'll see components like paragraph, image, button, video, and signature. Click and drag any of these onto your email. As you move a block around, watch for the blue line. That shows exactly where the element will land when you release it. Use this visual guide to place content precisely above, below, or between existing sections. Add a paragraph block for your main text. Click into it to edit, then adjust font, size, and alignment as needed. Keep your paragraphs clear and focused so readers can scan quickly. Drop in an image block to showcase a product or brand element. After placing it, upload a relevant image and make sure it looks sharp. Consider adding alt text for clarity and accessibility. For a clear call to action, drag in a button block. Once it's placed, customize the label, color, and link so it stands out and leads readers exactly where you want them to go. If you want to highlight a video, use the video block. This adds a clickable thumbnail that points to your video link, making it easy for subscribers to watch. Finally, include a signature block to give your message a personal touch. Update the details so it reflects your brand voice and closes the email professionally. If you want to rearrange anything, just drag the blocks again and watch for the blue line to guide you. That's it, your email is now laid out with the elements you need exactly where you want them.